Before installation, inspect the container carefully to ensure its design, dimensions, rating, testing, identification, nameplate, and operation requirements comply with the international standards. Heavy-duty container is a must, max rated loads 30 ton.
All 20-foot standard containers should be no more than 5 years and under good condition.
Containers should be suitable for highway, railway, and ocean transportation. No repair trace is allowed on outer container panels. Containers should be free of any dangerous cargo markings or labels, and haven't loaded any radioactive or toxic material harmful to humans. Check to fully workable locking bars are on either door. Either door bolt has a vertical groove or recess aside. The container interior must be clean and dry, with no debris, sharp edges, floor splinters, loose floor screws, dents, or visible welding repair marks. No contaminants inside the container that could cause cross-contamination with the cargo or react with the Flexitank materials. Operators should inspect the container according to the container selection standards. Operators should inspect the container according to the container selection standards. After the inspection, clean the container floor to ensure it is free of any debris or foreign objects. Protect any areas that could potentially damage to the Flexitank. Use corrugated paper on the container and wall. Operators must wear shoe covers before laying the bottom corrugated paper.
Use corrugated paper to protect the container floor. Fold the bottom corrugated paper edges along the container side walls. Remove the liner and unfold it inside the container. Open the folded sections of the liner. After unfolding, fix the liner height to prevent it from hanging or floating. Tie the liner lifting ropes to the hooks on the container side walls. Each side of the liner has 2 lifting ropes. Secure them individually. Secure the lifting ropes on the opposite side to the container wall hooks as well. Pass the middle rope through the hook at the container rear and secure it properly. Secure all liner lifting ropes on both sides to the container wall hooks in sequence. Do not tie the lifting ropes at the container door end. At this stage, reserve them for Flexitank and bulkhead installation. Place the Flexitank into the container and unfold the liner to facilitate installation. Unfold the Flexitank toward both the front and rear of the container. Position the Flexitank close to one side wall and unfold it toward the opposite side. Adjust the Flexitank position and confirm that the Flexitank center line aligns with the container center line. Open the liner protective sleeve. Remove the valve dust cap and screw cap. Set the valve handle to the open position to facilitate hollow board installation. Pass the protective sleeve through the center opening of the hollow board. Arrange the protective liner properly at the valve contact area. Press the hollow board downward firmly to lock the valve into the groove and secure the hollow board. Close the valve handle and reinstall the screw cap. Fold the Flexitank inward after installing the hollow board to allow bulkhead installation. Place the cardboard into the container. Install the telescopic steel bars into the steel bar grooves and tighten the bolts. Install the remaining steel bars in sequence. Place paper tubes between steel bars as supports. Position the cardboard at the bulkhead location. Secure the steel bar ropes one by one. Arrange the folded Flexitank neatly. Adjust the Flexitank beneath the hollow board and ensure it is not pinched or compressed. Secure the hollow board to the cardboard using cable ties. Tie the remaining liner lifting ropes at the door end to the container side wall hooks. Ensure the liner fits closely to the container floor. Ensure consistent height on both sides. Tie the middle liner lifting rope to the steel bar. Installation completed. Install plastic supports. Note: plastic supports must be installed at the middle position of the steel bars. Close the left container door. Affix warning labels on the left container door. Attach a warning tag to the bar lock. Arrange the protective sleeve and prepare for loading. Remove the screw cap. Connect the loading hose and secure the quick coupling. Open the valve and start loading. After loading is completed, close the valve and disconnect the loading hose. Arrange the protective sleeve properly. Tie the protective sleeve securely with a rope. Finally, secure the rope to the steel bar. Close the right container door, ensuring the locking rods, latches, and handles are in proper position and functioning correctly. Install a seal on the locking rod to ensure cargo safety during transportation.